Today you're going to be taking your science Unit 5 test over natural resources. Please make sure you're pushing pause in between after I read the question and the answer choices so you can make your choice. And also, if you need it to be reread, make sure you are clicking back and then pushing play. Okay, here we go. Number 1, you have water and soil. A student collected a soil sample and put it in a clear glass container. Then the student added 10 milliliters of water to the container. After 2 minutes, most of the water remained on top of the soil in the container. Which of the following best describes the soil in the container? A, the soil sample is mostly gravel. B, the soil sample is mostly clay. C, the soil sample is mostly sand. D, the soil sample is mostly silt. Number 2, Susan is studying different types of soil. She is comparing clay, sand, gravel, and silt. In which soil type will Susan find the largest particles? F, gravel. G, clay. H, sand. J, silt. Number 3, an experiment was conducted to see how much water passed through different types of soils and flower pots. 10 centimeters of 4 different soil types were each added to 4 different flower pots. Then 100 milliliters of water was poured through the different soil samples. After 2 hours, measurements were made to see how much water passed through each sample. Amount of water drained in milliliters. And you have sandy, rocky soil with humus, sand-humus mix. Amy needs potting soil that will stay moist. Which type of soil will work the best? Refer to the graph above to confirm your response. A, sandy soil. B, rocky soil. C, soil with humus. D, sand-humus mix. Number 4, when identifying the texture of a soil you are looking at, F, the kind of rock that lies underneath the soil. G, the age of the soil. H, the size of the grains and the amount of space between them. J, the crops that the soil supports. Use the following table for the next 2 questions. You have water retention in soils. So you have soil type, and we have gravel, sand, clay, silt. Volume of soil used in milliliters. Volume of water added in milliliters. Volume of water retained in milliliters. Number 5, some plants require large amounts of water to survive. Cypress trees are an example of a plant that needs lots of water to survive. Based on the data table above, which type of soil would retain the most water and therefore be the best for growing cypress trees? A, clay. B, sand. C, silt. D, gravel. Number 6, which question could be answered from the information in the chart? F, what is the texture of each type of soil? G, what is the mass of each type of soil? H, how much water is kept by each type of soil? Or J, what nutrients are in each type of soil? Number 7, students were asked to discuss what they learned about conservation of Earth's resources. The table below shows some of their responses. Student A, student B, student C, student D, and their response. Student A, It is most important to conserve renewable resources because they take a long time to replace and we could run out during our lifetime. Student B, all resources can be renewed during our lifetime, but it is still important to conserve them just in case. Student C, all resources should be conserved, but it is most important to conserve non-renewable resources because they cannot be replaced in our lifetime. Student D, only non-renewable resources need to be conserved because that is what people use the most. Based on their responses, which student had the best understanding of conservation of Earth's resources? A, student A, B, student B, C, student C, D, student D. Number 8, all of the following are non-renewable resources except F, coal, G, animals, H, petroleum, J, natural gas. Number 9, which of the following is a way a person could conserve natural resources? A, recycling waste materials like plastic, glass, paper, and aluminum. B, limiting water use when showering, brushing teeth, and shaving. C, using rechargeable batteries. D, all of the above are good conservation practices. Number 10, many stores now carry products that have less packaging or wrapping. Products with reduced packaging are most likely available because F, they reduce trash that eventually ends up in landfills. G, they help conserve resources, especially plastics. H, they provide a compact packaging choice for consumers. J, all of the above. Number 11, I am a solid, mined from the ground, made from ancient dead trees, a non-renewable resource. What am I? A, natural gas. B, coal. C, plants. D, water. Number 12, I am a gas, all around, can be used for energy, a renewable resource. What am I? F, air. G, coal. H, plants. J, natural gas. Number 13, a farmer decides that he is going to produce his own energy on the farm by using a type of renewable energy. The renewable energy could come from A, setting up wind turbines, B, having coal furnace, C, using natural gas, D, burning oil. Number 14, which of the following means of transportation uses a renewable resource for its energy source? F, solar-powered car. G, coal-powered steam train. H, natural gas car. J, gasoline truck. Number 15, what should be pictured in picture 2 to show a renewable resource? A, young trees which have just been planted. B, level land with stumps removed. C, a pond fish live in. Or D, a log cabin that the trees were used to build. Number 16, oil comes from deep underground. When people have used all of the oil on Earth, it will be gone. What kind of resource is oil? F, a renewable resource. G, an inexhaustible resource. H, a non-renewable resource. J, a non-usable resource. Number 17, you have oil, tree, air, grass, natural gas, water, coal, cattle. Observe the resources above. List the resources in the correct categories in the T chart below. On one side, you have renewable resources. The other side is non-renewable resources. Please make sure you're sorting each one of those below. Thank you.